After applying the Isha indicator on your chart, you will see some arrows appears on your chart. So basic information about Isha indicator is that you will receive two type of arrows. First one is the red arrows, which are for sell signal, and the second one, which are the green arrows, for buy signals. And then also you will receive some alarm on other currency pair opportunities, trade opportunities, which is gonna pop up on your MT4. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. And then you also can use it for any currency pair that you want, and also can use it in any different time frame that you wish to use. And me personally, prefer to use 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, but it's totally up to you guys which one you want to use. I'm sure that you are familiar with the indicators, and you have met lots of indicators and robots in the forex market, which unfortunately most of them do not work properly, or they are so complicated. But as you can see, the Isha indicator is so simple. Their signals are easy to read and easy to find, and you can easily understand them. And the most important thing about the Isha indicator is that the signals, 99%, they have no delay, and they are exactly on the chart breakout. Let me show you this with drawing some vertical lines. So I will add some vertical lines to the chart for you to understand it better. So our first signal in this chart is here, and then the second one, and then the third one, then the next one, and you can do it for the rest of your chart. So what I mean, guys, honestly, there is no indicators in the world that give you 100% winning rates and accuracy on signals, or even 90% accuracy on the signals. But what we mean that Isha indicator has 70% plus profit means if you have like 20 signals from the Isha indicator at the end of the day or at the end of the week, it depends on your time frame and how long you are doing the trades with Isha indicator. Out of 20 signals, you will have like 16 win and you will have 4 lose. So at the end of the day, at the end of the week, you will have like 12 winning trades that it's gonna gain profit for you, like 300 pips, 400 pips, which I'm gonna show you on the chart. Okay, now let's talk about how to use Isha indicator and what is the best strategy to use the Isha indicator to get the best result. Okay, after applying your Isha indicator on your chart, let's say you open your chart and you are somewhere around here, you already missed a signal on the chart, so you are somewhere around here, you don't take any action, you just wait for the next signal, which is gonna be sell or buy signal. Once you see the signal, you take immediately action and you just open a buy or sell position according to the signal, and then you just wait for the next signal. So here we have the sell signal. So once we see the sell signal, we just open a sell position, and then after that we can do two different actions. First one, we can wait to see the next signal. Once we see the next signal, which is going to be buy or sell, we just immediately close our last position, previous position, and then just open a new position according to the new signal. Or based on your money management plan, once you are here around here, you will take some profit and you exit the trade and you close your position, and you just wait for the next signal, which is totally up to you guys. Okay, now let's do some calculation and look at some examples to see how much profit we can make if we just follow the Isha indicator signals. In this chart, which is USD CAD, US dollar comparing to Canadian dollar, I'm just going to pretend that I start to use the Isha indicator and use its signal from here, this part of the chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to calculate the pips from here to the next signal. So it's almost 115 pips. I'm just gonna write it down because at the end of the video I'm just gonna calculate for you how many pips we made profit by using the help of Isha indicator. Okay, we go for the next signal from here to here. almost 41 pips. And then the next signal, $108 pips. And then from here to the next one, plus 50 pips. $41. And then the last one, 12 pips. And here we have the last signals, and then the next signals is not available yet, but I'm just gonna calculate the last signal pips because as I told you earlier, some of you might have different money management plans, so you want to close your position earlier. So I'm just gonna do the same for the purpose of this video, which is educating and showing you how the Isha indicator works. So I'm just gonna do it one more time for the last signal. So almost 200 pips. So what I'm gonna do, I just made the calculation in front of you guys for the signals. So I'm just gonna do the summation of all of them and just add it as a text to the video, so you know that how much profit we can make from Isha indicator, and then in this example how much profit we made from Isha indicator in this chart. So as you can see guys, we made like 628 pips profit easily just by following the Isha indicator signals. One more thing for you to remember before I go to the last part of the video is that you also can check the signals if you go back in the time, and you can check the history of the signals given by Isha indicators, and you can get more information about the indicator that you are using. Last point and very important for you guys is remember that you should always have money management plan and always put your stop loss. Now, for example, if you have 1,000 US dollar, I suggest you to open the size position 0.01 of your margin, and then you can put your stop loss between 30 to 40 pips, and that's all. This is all the information that you guys need to know about the Isha indicator. If you have any more questions, just don't hesitate to contact us. We will get back to you in less than 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck.